How to back up PS5 games to an external USB drive. Backing up your PS5 games to an external USB drive is an effective way to manage storage and ensure your games are safe. Here's a step-by-step guide to backing up and restoring your games. Step 1. Insert the USB drive. Start by plugging your external USB drive into one of the USB ports on your PS5. Ensure that your USB drive has enough space for your games. If this is your first time using the drive, it needs to be formatted as extended storage. Step 2, go to Settings. Next, go to the main menu and select the Settings icon located in the top right corner. Step 3, access storage settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Storage. This will bring you to a screen where you can manage both your console's storage and the external USB storage. Step 4, format the USB drive. Select USB extended storage under the storage menu. If your USB drive isn't formatted, choose the Format as USB extended storage option. Note that formatting will erase all data on the drive, so back up any important files first. Once formatting is complete, your USB drive is ready for use. Step 5, navigate to the game menu. Go back to the PS5 dashboard and navigate to the game you wish to back up. Step 6, press the Options button. Select the game, then press the Options button on your controller to bring up a menu. Step 7, move games and apps. Choose Move Games and Apps from the Options menu. This will allow you to transfer the game to your external USB drive. Step 8, select games to back up. You'll see a list of all the games installed on your PS5. Select the games you want to back up by checking the boxes next to them, then press Move. Step 9. Wait for backup completion. The PS5 will begin transferring the selected games to your USB drive. This process may take some time, depending on the game size and USB speed. Once complete, your games are safely stored on the external drive. Restoring games from the USB drive. When you want to play a backed-up game, you'll need to restore it to your PS5's internal storage. Step 1. Access Game Library. From the main menu, go to the Game Library on the far right of the dashboard. Step 2. View Installed Games. In the Game Library, go to the Installed tab. At the bottom, you'll see a section for Games on USB Extended Storage. Step 3. Select Game to Restore. Select the game you want to restore and press the Options button. Step 4. Copy the game. Choose Copy to transfer the game from your USB drive back to your PS5's internal storage. Step 5. Wait for the copy process. Once the copying is complete, your game will be installed and ready to play. These steps will help you manage your PS5 storage and keep your games accessible.